Hello there, how's it going? In this video, we are going to talk about a cryptocurrency that started out as a joke in 2013 but has since then gathered a massive following and a very strong community that is going stronger day by day. This is none other than Elon Musk's favorite, Dogecoin. If you're looking for crisp and curly cryptocurrency information, then you have hit the right spot. Subscribe to this channel and get the latest information on cryptocurrency every day from around the world. Now with that out of the way, let's talk about what is Dogecoin. Dogecoin is a meme cryptocurrency which was started out as a joke. It was founded by Billy Markus, Jackson Palmer in 2013 to make fun of all the seriousness that crypto community was going for after the launch of Bitcoin years ago. Jackson Palmer has left the project in 2021 criticizing the drama around cryptocurrencies, but Billy Markus still goes strong in support of Dogecoin. Dogecoin was founded in Sydney, Australia and was forked from Litecoin, another cryptocurrency, in 2013. Now, what started out as a joke gathered around a very sincere community who have used Dogecoin for wonderful charitable causes. Now, let us talk about some of those charitable activities. In 2014 Winter Olympics, a fundraiser was established by the Dogecoin community to raise $50,000 for the Jamaican bobsledge team, which had qualified for but could not afford to go to the Sochi Winter Olympics. By the second day, $36,000 worth of Dogecoin was donated, and the Dogecoin to Bitcoin exchange rate rose by 50%. The Dogecoin community also raised funds for a second Sochi athlete, Shiva Keshwan. Another charity activity which involved Dogecoin was Doge for Water, inspired by the Winter Olympics fundraiser and other smaller charity fundraising successes. The Dogecoin Foundation, led by Eric Nakagawa, began collecting donations to build a well in the Tana River Basin in Kenya in cooperation with Charity Water. They set out to raise a total of 40 million Dogecoin before World Water Day, March 22nd. 40 million Dogecoin would be around $30,000 at the time. To everyone's surprise, the campaign succeeded, collecting donations from more than 4,000 donors. There is one more involvement of Dogecoin which has brought it to the mainstream community and a lot of limelight in the recent past is with NASCAR. In 2014, the Dogecoin community successfully raised 67.8 million Dogecoins, which is around $55,000 at the time, in an effort to sponsor NASCAR Sprint Cup Series driver Josh Weiss. Nicknamed the Moon Rocket, the number 98 car featured a Dogecoin Reddit sponsored paint scheme and was driven by Weiss at the Aarons 499 at Talladega Superspeedway. Also, very recently in 2021, NASCAR Xfinity Series team BJ McLeod Motorsports announced that Dogecoin would be sponsoring the number 99 car in the Alsco Uniforms 300 at Las Vegas alongside spring race. All of these activities has kept the community going strong, and along with Elon Musk tweets supporting Dogecoin has been cherry on the cake. Dogecoin started with a limited supply of 100 billion coins, which would have been far more coins than the top digital currencies were then allowing. By mid-2015, the 100 billionth Dogecoin had been mined, with an additional 5 billion coins put into circulation every year thereafter. Something to keep in mind, although there is no theoretical supply limit at this rate, the number of Dogecoins put into circulation will only double in the next 20 years. The next doubling will occur in the year 2075. Nevertheless, this makes it an inflationary currency. In the most recent development on Dogecoin involves Vitalik Buterin, the Ethereum founder himself. Dogecoin Ethereum Bridge allows investors to send Dogecoin from the Doge blockchain to the Ethereum blockchain, converting them into Doge tokens. These tokens can interact with different exchanges like DeFi before returning to the Doge blockchain as Doge coins via the Doge ETH bridge. So essentially, Doge blockchain to Ethereum blockchain and back to Doge blockchain. Now this will allow for significantly more Doge transactions to take place per second than possible. Like we said earlier, Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin is playing a major role in developing the Doge ETH bridge. Let us know in the comments what do you think about Ethereum's involvement with Dogecoin. We would also like to mention the comparison of Dogecoin with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the most popular cryptocurrency in the market and the top cryptocurrency overall. Dogecoin differs from Bitcoin's proof of work protocol in several ways, one of which is by using script technology. The altcoin has also a block time of 1 minute and the total supply is uncapped, which means that there is no limit to the number of Dogecoin that can be mined. You can actually say that Dogecoin was started out as a joke specifically on Bitcoin. So it is basically exactly opposite of what Bitcoin stands out for. You can mine Dogecoins either solo or by joining a mining pool. A Doge miner can earn the digital currency on Windows, Mac or Linux with a GPU. As of 2014, you can also mine Litecoin in the same process of mining Dogecoin, as the processes were merged. You would like to know what can Dogecoin be used for? We will talk about the companies that are supporting Dogecoin in some time, but generally Dogecoin has been used for tipping on Reddit and Twitter to reward the creation or sharing of quality content. You can get tipped Dogecoin by participating in a community that uses the digital currency, or you can get your Dogecoin from a Dogecoin faucet. A Dogecoin faucet is a website that will give you a small amount of Dogecoin for free as an introduction to the currency so that you can begin interacting in Dogecoin communities. Let's talk about some of the companies that accept Dogecoin as payments. Starting with the most popular one, Dallas Mavericks, supported by Mark Cuban. They are one of the popular names on the list that accept Doge in their stores. Dallas Mavericks is owned by Mark Cuban, who has recently become a crypto enthusiast. Kessler Collection. Yes, even the hotel groups are in on the game, as they have also started to accept Dogecoin as a payment method. The luxury hotel group Kessler Collection has partnered up with BitPay to accept Doge as a payment method. Post Oak Motor Cars is a luxury car dealership that has recently started to accept Dogecoin as a payment method as well. And yes, we also have an airline on the list. In 2014, the company Air Baltic started to accept BTC as a payment method. And now, as the popularity of Dogecoin has increased, it has also been added as a payment method on Air Baltic. Last but not the least, in Canada, an internet service provider has also started to accept Dogecoin as a payment method. That provider is EasyDNS. Now, before we end this video, we would like to give our 2 cents. Dogecoin is very popular among the netizens. Now, that's how the internet works. Internet loves meme, and Dogecoin is one of the most popular meme on cryptocurrencies, which is a given. But we would like to recommend you to do your due diligence before investing into a crypto that started out as a joke and has inflationary quality to it. Even though it has made a few people millionaires, we would recommend you to take professional advice before getting into crypto investing. Also keep in mind, this video is not an investing advice to anybody. This is just for educational purposes and for you to understand what Dogecoin is all about. Let us know in the comments how did you like this video. Also let us know which other cryptocurrency you would like us to talk about in the next video. Like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.